Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. And yeah, as you can see, it's a losing day. Completely my fault. Could have been avoided. I tried to find the bottom and I got schooled by the market. I think we're too low and then we go lower. There's nothing else to really say here, but I still wanted to make the video. Yeah, big loss on my live account. That's $1,275 gone, and $600 across 3 funded accounts, which is no good either. It's gonna take a couple trades to make this all back, so I need to be really careful going forward. On Monday, I finished trading, I took my last trade at 7, and yeah, I was just really I was so happy yesterday with the progress, and it just sucks to see everything red right now. I was up like $300 in profit. I should have just taken called it a day, but I held it because it was I think it was this candle. I held it because I was like, I was bullish, because we had sold off so much previous 2 sessions. I thought we would find the bottom at around 20,720 right here, around this area, and then we would just bounce. I thought this was the area, and I thought we'd bounce, and I took a long, 20,730. I took a long there, got destroyed. Took a long at 595. I thought 600 would be the next one, so I caught long there and I got destroyed with 5 micros. And then I took a trade on the mini. This is the big one. Around there again, I bought. I was up a little bit, 728, $300 in profit, and I got destroyed. So yeah, first loss in a while, I think. I haven't lost this much in a long time. But yeah, I think accidentally I lost November 1st. That was a big one, but I've never lost this much and realized it on a live account. And before that, I think it was like mid-October when I was doing it, but. Yeah, I was going against everything. We were below VWAP, below the 9 EMA. Wasn't good. Yesterday, I just talked about how easy trading is, and all you have to do is if it's below both, you just go short. No questions about it. And I didn't listen to my own advice, I guess, which happens. No excuses. I fucked up. So yeah, I tried to go long. Try to find the bottom, and I got schooled. So yeah, I still wanted to make the video because I've only been posting wins because I have been winning mostly, and time to post a big loss. This is $1,300 loss today when it matters the most. These are all funded accounts, and it's like my real money now. This is all my real money, and I just lost this, but this is huge too. So going forward, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm going to risk 250 to make 500 every day until I make everything back before going in again with a mini and trying to do more discretionary trades. So I need to get back to even pretty much before I can do that. So I think 250, if I risk 250, I'm sure I can, I get 7-8 trades from that. And I can make back, assuming I'm saying 7-8 losses in a row, which I don't think is going to happen. I've never lost that much in a row. Even if you're gambling, or not gambling, even if you're just randomly clicking buttons, you can't lose 8 times in a row. Like one of those times, it's bound to be a winner, right? So, yeah, I'm going to risk 250. I'm going to change the risk setting right now. I'm going to risk 250. That's gonna be my daily loss limit. Oh yeah, this is gonna lock right now too, which is good. the fuck? What does it mean auto liquidated? What? Everything's already done. So yeah, I don't know. I think I just have to wait. But yeah, I'm gonna risk 250 and 500. I can get this back, and I can get this back into some profit in 3 trades. So next week I'm gonna be super disciplined, and 2 trades, like 2.5 even. I'm gonna be back in profit again on this one. So risk 250 to make 500, 1 to 2, whatever the risk reward is. Usually I go for 1 to 2, with ILM and what do you call it? And my orb. See that I should have taken the orb trade. I took the ILM. I thought this would work, and I didn't take the orb, and the orb would have netted me like $2,000, and I would have been up like fucking huge. I would have been up $700 on this account, and yeah, and this one too. This one I played with 5 minutes, so $1,000. I would have been up $400 in profit. So yeah, just take your models whenever they're presented. I was just afraid of a bigger loss. I should have taken the orb on 5 micros. Yeah, I don't know why I hold on to my losers, but I don't hold my winners as long. So that's another thing I need to work on. So yeah, I realize my full losses, but I don't realize my full profits. I'm like, oh, $400. That's good. So yeah, I need to come out of that. So to do that, yeah, $250. Aim for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whatever. My risk is gonna be 250. That's what I'm gonna be. That's what I'm gonna be risking. And we're pumping right now. I'm low key getting FOMO and think we're just gonna reverse. But I don't think that's good. I'm just gonna soak it all in pretty much and realize the losses, so it just sets in like over the weekend. I'm going back to my parents' place for a day, and yeah, I'm just gonna realize it all, and yeah, come back on Monday and trade with $250 until I get these accounts back again. And nothing's lost. It's not over yet. We came back from a crushing defeat that was accidental. That hurt way more than this, because I caused this. I went against the trend. I caused it. I need to realize that. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, if anyone is, and I'll see you guys in the next video on Monday. All right? Peace.